Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add multiple signature fields in PandaDoc or in a PandaDoc document. Okay, so first up, just go and log into your PandaDoc account. And once you're in here on your dashboard, you're going to want to look for the document where you wanted to add in multiple signature fields. For example, this one right here. I'm just going to click on it. Now, once it loads in the right panel, you can go ahead and go to the fillable fields section. Okay, for example, at the very last page of my document right here, I'm going to go ahead and add in signature. Okay, as the title suggests, add in signature like so. 1, 2, 3. Okay, for example, text right here, we have number 1. Okay, copy, paste number 2, paste Mr. number 3. Like so. Okay, so all you have to do is just add in a recipient. Okay, add in, for example, this guy right here, add in another one, this guy, gonna add in another one, maybe this guy. Okay, money YT, create. Okay, so give all these signature fields the right signer. Okay, if that makes sense. So just go ahead and click on it and click on assign. Okay. For number 1 or for Mr. number 1, he is Dropbox right here. And Mr. number 2 right here is Money YT. And the signature field right here is for myself. Okay, that is it. That's how you add multiple signature fields in PandaDoc, or proper way to add multiple signature fields in PandaDoc. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.